So before we create our first record, I'd like to explain a bit about how the app works. The TDD mobile app uses several different files working together to put information in front of you when and where you need to see it. It's what's called a relational database. We use key fields like phone numbers or part numbers to help put information on the screen for you so you don't literally have to fill out every line on the screen. So it's important to remember when you're creating a new work order, for example, that you have that customer information already stored in your customer list. The way it works is you create a new work order by clicking on the Add Record button, and then you can tap into the phone number field for the customer. And we're tracking both the billing and the job location on the app. So for instance, we would select from the pull-down menu the job phone number and then the billing phone number. And just like that, we've created a new work order for this location. Now, on the form, we're only showing the job information because that's all the technician needs to know is where to go in order to do the job. There's not enough screen on here to show every bit of information. When you later go to export a PDF invoice or work order, it will show both the job and billing locations. If you don't already have your customer loaded into your customer list, you can create a new work order and enter the information in on the fly. So come down to the bottom, select Add a New Record again, and when you tap into the phone number field for the job phone, this is where you're going to start, you'll enter in the phone number of the new location that you're going to enroll into your customer list. And when you do that, because there's no matching record in your customer list, you're creating a new record while you're creating a work order. So then tap into the customer name field and type in the name of the customer's location. And likewise the address, city, state, zip. Now it's important when you're entering new customers that you use unique addresses and phone numbers because of the relationship. If we have multiple records in our customer list with the same addresses and phone numbers, it would confuse the app and it may not display the appropriate information. And this is a good time to point out whenever you're done editing a record, just tap the Done button on the keypad and the information you've typed in will be saved. And from now on, whenever you need to enter a new work order for that customer, his name and address will pop up as one of the available selections in the phone number list.